In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw dotted and dashed lines in PowerPoint, a handy technique to enhance your presentations and add a professional touch. Whether it's to highlight an important section or show relationships between elements, mastering this skill can really make a difference in how you communicate your ideas. So let's get started and dive right into the step-by-step process. First, make sure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. It's always a good idea to have the application running smoothly, so ensure everything is up to date to avoid any interruptions during your creative process. Now locate the PowerPoint presentation you want to work on, navigate through your files if necessary, and open the specific presentation where you want to add these dotted or dashed lines. Once you are in your presentation, direct your attention to the top ribbon and find the Review tab. It's a gateway to various commenting and annotation tools. We will be using this to enhance our communication and collaboration within the slide. Next, locate and click on the New Comment button. This feature allows you to make annotations, and in this context, it's where we will initiate interactions with our team or audience. Having the ability to comment directly on slides can streamline feedback and clarification, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Once you've clicked New Comment, it's time to mention someone, which is particularly useful in a team setting. Simply type the @ symbol followed by the person's name. This adds another layer of interactivity by effectively tagging individuals and bringing their attention directly to the comment you've made. It's a powerful way to ensure that specific feedback or discussion points are seen by the intended party. After typing the @ sign and the person's name, you'll need to wait momentarily for their name to appear in the system. PowerPoint will suggest the person from your contacts or team if they are associated with the document. This real-time integration and suggestion can save you time and make the tagging process seamless. Finally, don't forget to click on Send. This step completes the process of adding your comment and ensures that your message, along with the tagged person, is sent and recorded as part of the presentation. It's a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring communication continuity within your team. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively utilize comments in PowerPoint to draw attention to specific areas of your presentation using dotted and dashed lines, making your slides not just attractive, but also interactive and concise. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore further possibilities within PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.